Hi, good morning dear friends. This is Kasimappa, Assistant Mathematics Teacher from SVEM School Harginamara Camp from Sindhunuru. Dear friends, this is second class for the part 2 video for the 6th standard chapter is second chapter, that is whole numbers. Dear students, in our previous class already we have discussed about the whole numbers. Whole numbers is nothing but it is the set of all positive and negative numbers with zero. Yes dears, here whole number set we know that very well. Whole numbers, yes, whole number set is equals to, yes, it begins with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, infinity. Yes, infinity means uncountable number of whole numbers we can write. Uncountable numbers we can write. Okay, yes friends, these are the whole numbers, we know that. In our today class, we have to discuss main topic, that is, yes, topic 1, that is properties. Properties of whole numbers. Properties of whole numbers. Yes, this is the today topic in our class. Dear children, you know that very well whole numbers. First property is closure property. Yes, property, that is closure property. Yes, closure property already I explained, dear children. Yes, especially already I explained. Suppose closure property indicates that A plus B is equal to C, means a sum of any two whole numbers is, again we are getting whole numbers. Let us see. If I take example 1, dears, A is equal to 0. Okay, then B is equals to 1. Then what I told, closure property means it is the sum of any two whole numbers is again whole numbers. Yes, A, yes, keep in this one. A is equals to A in place of A, that is 0, plus in place of B 1 is equal to 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Yes, 1 is also in the set of whole numbers, means 1 is also whole numbers. Example 2, dear children, A is equals to, yes, 2, B is equals to 3. If I take from the set of whole numbers, keep in this rule, A means 2 plus B means here C, yes, B means here 3. 3, yes, 2 plus 3, 5. This 5 is also, yes, it will come in next number, yes, 5. 5 is also whole number. Example 3, dear children, example 3, suppose, yes, A is equals to, yes, 123, then B is equals to 200. B is equals to 200. You can ask, sir, where it is located, sir? Here only you are written 0 to 5 numbers. Dear children, I have written there infinity. Infinity means uncountable numbers we can write. Whole number set that mainly begins with 0 up to uncountable number whole numbers we can write. That's why in between these dears 123 also coming and 200 also coming. Okay, let us see. Keep in this one. A means here 123 plus B means here 200. That equal to, yes, 123 plus 200, that is 323. 3 323. 323 is also whole number, dear children, you should remember. This is all regarding to the closure property. Second property, that is commutative property. Yes, that is commutative property. Dear children, if you want to make it practice, you have to choose any numbers in place of A and B, then you can continue. That will be your homework. What your homework here, you can see that from beginning of my classes, I mean from first chapter onwards, I didn't give any homework. Why? Here I have solved some problems now. Based on that same problems, you have to make it change the numbers only. Then you have to insert that rule. Then you will make it practice. Definitely you will get that answer. Yes, that will be your homework. Okay, dears. Second property, that is commutative property. Yes, commutative property. This is the second property, commutative property. Dear children, commutative property rule is that, yes, commutative property rule is A plus B is equals to B plus A. Means sum of any two numbers is equal to the sum of two same numbers. Sum of any two numbers is equal to the sum of again same two numbers. This is the property, especially commutative property on whole numbers. Yes, dear children, take it example first. A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3. This part we are going to be called LHS, left hand side. This part we are going to be called as RHS, means right hand side. Okay, limit. A means here 2 plus B means 3. Then B means here 3 plus A means 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Yes, dear children, you can see practically your LHS is equal to RHS. Then, dear children, example 2 is A is example 2. A is equals to, yes, 119 and B is equals to, yes, B is equal to 5. You can take, yes, whatever number it may be. Whole numbers means that begins with 0 and up to infinity. You can take any numbers. Okay, in this formula, yes, A means here 119 plus B means 5. Then here B means here 5 plus 119. Dear children, 119 plus 5, 124. How much, ma? 124. 5 plus 119 means also 124. Yes, sorry, 124. Dear children, it indicates that sum of any two whole numbers is equal to the same sum of two numbers. Yes, this is all regarding to the commutative property of whole numbers. First we have discussed, that is closure property on whole numbers. Let us see, children. Yes, that is third property, associative property. Third content in our class, that is associative property. Yes, third, associative property. Yes, property. Okay, yes. Example, yes, rule of this one, A plus B plus C is equals to, again, A plus B plus C, yes, bracket for yes here, for the A plus B, yes, in here, for bracket B plus C. A plus B, bracket rows plus C is equals to A plus bracket of B plus C. That is the associative property rule. Yes, example 1, dear children. A is equal to 0, B is equals to 1, C is equals to, yes, if I take 2, keep in this one, A means 0 plus B means DS here 1 plus C means here 2 is equals to again 0 plus 1 plus 2. Bracket for A and B means here 0 and 1. In this case, yes, B and C means here 1 plus 2. See dears, 0 plus 1 means 1 plus 2 is equal to 0 has this plus 1 plus 2 3 dears. 1 plus 2 how much ma? 1 plus 2 means 3. Yes, 0 plus 3 means 3. Yes, here also dear children, associative property obey the rule on whole numbers. Associative property which can satisfy the whole numbers. Okay dears, example 2, yes, this is example 1 dear children. Example 2 I will solve now. Let us see. Yes, example 2. Yes, example 2 dears. A is equals to 15, B is equal to 5, then C is equals to 10. Keep in this one, A means dears here 15 plus B means 5 plus C means 10, that equals to 15 plus 5 plus 10. Bracket for dears here between 15 and 5, here bracket for 5 and 10. Okay. 15 plus 5 20 plus 10, that equal to 15 plus, yes, 5 plus 10, that is 15. Then 20 plus 10 30, 15 plus 15 30. Dear children, 30 is equal to 30, which can satisfy all numbers. That property, associative property. Okay dear children, still now we have discussed the properties of whole numbers, closure property, commutative property and associative property, and then remaining contents regarding to this chapter I will continue in my next class. Thanking you all. Bye.